let's move on to another important topic, how to say my in Punjabi. We're going to cover 4 words in this lesson. Mera, mere, meri, meriyan. Mera is for one masculine word. For example, my room, which is mera kamara. Mere is for more than one masculine word. For example, my rooms, mere kamare. Meri is for one feminine word. For example, my chair, meri kursi. Meriyan is for more than one feminine word. For example, my chairs, meriyan kursiyan. Masculine words use mera, mere, and feminine words use meri, meriyan. Mera kamara, mere kamare. Meri kursi, meriyan kursiyan. But there are some exceptions to this rule. Some words don't actually end in a or e, but they still have a gender. For example, the word house is kar, and that's a masculine word. So it would be mera kar. And the word book is kitab, and even though it doesn't end in e, it's a feminine word. So it would be meri kitab. Great job. Now let's take a step further and look at words such as me, you, him, her, us, and them. Mainu means me or to me. Mainu pani de do. Mainu Punjabi boli pasand a. Mainu madad chahidi a. Tohannu means you. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਦਦ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ Moving on, ਉਹਨੂੰ means him and her. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਦਦ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ means us. When you're speaking on the behalf of others, you can say sanu. Sanu pani de do. Sanu Punjabi boli pasand a. Sanu madad chahidi a. And finally, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ means them. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਦੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਦਦ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ And just remember, when you're using onanu, you're actually talking about a group of people, not just a single person. If you were talking about a single person, you would use the word onu. Onu madad chaidiya. But because you're talking about a group of people, you have to say onanu. Onanu madad chaidiya. So that's it for today's lesson. Practice these words daily and you'll get more confident and natural in Punjabi conversations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss a lesson. And if you'd like more resources, click the links below in the description. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Sat Sri Akal.